I think PSPB is really thankful to GAIL because they did the opening of the PSPB calendar. Especially they started in Bangalore. So I think they are one of the best hosts who is looking after the players and who are choosing good location where the infrastructure is good. For example, last year the national games were played here in Goa, so the infrastructure has really improved. And people think that it's a tourist hub, but yes, it is very much. But if you look at the last 3-4 years, I think a lot of sports infrastructure has been promoted in Goa, and the same thing is being used by the companies and the corporates to host there.
Last 2 months left for this season. Half the calendar is already done, and how many activities are there, and how's the preparation going on for that?
See, actually, nowadays the companies are using their resources very nicely and in a very planned way. That they are planning two tournaments together. So yes, the companies are really putting a lot of efforts. And last time we really had to run in the end. So we requested, we had a coordinators meeting which we have twice in a year, where we decide the calendar and then we leave it on the company. They choose the venue. In all companies, I think most of the calendar, almost 90% will be over. Only 1 or 2 tournament would be there in March.
I have seen multiple events of the PSPB, and since last 2-3 years, I'm observing tournaments also traveling. Like this basketball tournament last year was in Delhi. This year is in Goa. So one championship held in one city and then to the next. The way sport travels, how you see the growth of sport when it travels across the country?
See, sports is very important for the corporate and for the younger generation. When you see everyone under one banner and playing games, you come to know about the fitness also. Plus, PSPB's main motto is to promote sports. So we have 16 companies, and all the 16 member organizations is taking a lot of effort. And we have recruitments also, we have scholarship also. So Ministry of Sports is also coming up with a lot of things, because each day we get mails from them on what they want to do. We have meetings with the Honorable Minister, Sports Minister. So I think in the coming 2 or 3 months you will see massive changes in the field of sports.
I was talking about the youngsters, like Vishesh, top player from the basketball is here. In other sports, there are the top players who come to the play in the PSPB tournaments. Do you see that these activities attract youngsters when they goes to their local city?
Very much. They are the players who have really achieved a lot. So when young scholarship player who's about 18, 19, they see the talent and the caliber of the player, automatically they learn. They always watch them, that what they are doing, how they are behaving, how they tackle, and what is the move. So it is a very good learning process for the youngsters, and I think these youngsters, if they are not playing, they should come and watch them, because when you watch them, just where you're sitting just next to the line, you can be more watchful, you can learn more things. So I think it is very good that we have the senior international players who come here whenever they are free, but PSPB and the host company also make sure that they are not busy in the national or international time during that time.
We have spoken multiple times about the scholarship schemes of the different oil companies. Has it gained the momentum, and sport person from the younger category started getting benefited and exposure in the international sector?
Yes, very much. I think a lot of scholarship players are there. Right now, I think we have more than 250, which is going to multiply, almost double by other companies also, because everybody are making the effort together. So I think in the coming 1 or 2 months, you will see, maybe after April it takes on, most of the ads are on the website in end of Feb or first week of March, because they take it as from the 1st April, the financial year which we call. So I think it's going to really benefit the youngsters, and this is the way oil companies are contributing. We are promoting games within our employees, within their wards, with the employees, like the sports recruited employees, scholarships, and we give exposure. We send them out also in case somebody gets injured, or somebody wants to, maybe individual games, or somebody wants to make a comeback. So when they play international tournaments, the ranking also comes down. So all that is there. So jointly, we all 16 companies are making a lot of effort. As our Honorable Prime Minister has said that खेलेगा India तो जीतेगा, खेलेगा India. So same thing. अगर खेलेगी PSPB के tournament तो खेलेगा sports. See, every year is different. I hope all the players are fit. Yes, my parent company ONGC, I'm very proud of them, and they have also made us proud. In the past also by winning a lot of tournaments, and they also represented in the Federation Cup. So I'm sure that ONGC is going to be the winner. But yes, if somebody can really beat them, then they have to really play well to beat the champions.